Here's how to show hidden apps on your iPhone. Now first head into the settings, tap on general and tap on software update. You need to get to the latest version of iOS to even be able to hide and to find all of those hidden apps. So just update your phone to the latest version. Now I'll show you how to hide them and two different places to be able to find them. You can see on some apps, if I tap and hold on them, say the Photos app, I can hit require Face ID. And it says require Face ID, which would mean it's still on my home screen, but I would need to basically unlock it with my Face ID. So keep in mind, you can't hide apps that are default Apple apps. You can only hide third-party apps. I can do that, say for Instagram. I can press and hold on it and same require Face ID, but now it says hide and require Face ID. So this essentially, if I tap on it, will remove it. I can hit hide app and it's no longer there. Now it's not on my home screen. And if I swipe over and search for Instagram on the app library, you can see it doesn't show up. There are two different places to be able to find those hidden apps. One is in that app library and the other one is in your settings. So let's first just go over the settings option. Let's go to the very beginning of your settings. Once you're at the beginning of your settings, tap on General and iPhone Storage. This shows you every single app that is downloaded and installed onto your iPhone, including those hidden apps. So you can see as I scroll down to the bottom, there's hidden apps. Again, I'll use my Face ID and there is Instagram, in addition to some other random things that I've hidden in Instagram. Now on here, you can also just swipe to the left and get to the app library. Again, if you search for Instagram, it won't pop up. But if I swipe all the way to the bottom, there is a hidden folder. So just tap on it and it will unlock the app in there. Now I can just tap on it to open it up. Or let's say you wanted to unhide that hidden app. I can do that by pressing and holding on the app. And then I'm gonna hit don't require Face ID. Just like that, it's removed from that hidden folder, but it's not automatically added back to your home screen. To be able to do that, I'm gonna just search for it in the app library. So search for Instagram. And now I will press and hold and drag it over to the left. Just like that, I've unhidden it and I've added it back to my home screen.